Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles, doing a quick walk around of this 2017 FLHTK Ultra Limited. So here we have the Vivid Black. Coming up, we'll give you a good shot of the 6-gallon tank. Tank looks pretty clean. Coming down, we'll have the Milwaukee 8. 107 cubic inch engine. So this was the first year of the Milwaukee 8 2017. Really powerful, really crisp shifting, 6-speed transmission. This will feature twin cooled engine. And then moving back, there's your plush seat for rider and passenger. Also, I have the one-touch access to the bags and tour pack. This particular bike does have Screamin Eagle exhaust. I'll fire that up for you in a second. LED lighting on the tour pack. Standard lighting in back. Overall, paint's in pretty good shape. There's your comm for your passenger. Battery tender lead. Mini floorboards for passenger. Narrow primary on this vehicle. This one does not have a heel shifter, but one can be put on. And of course, Ultra Limiteds do have heated grips, which work really well. A shot of your Batwing fairing. So a couple little nicks here, touched up on the fairing. Overall in pretty good shape. Daymaker headlamp, LED passing lamps. You will have ABS. Looks like we put new tires on the front here. There's some other little touch-ups on the fender. Cast impeller wheels. You will have the Showa dual bending valve in the front. Also have the monoshock coil suspension in the rear. So here's a shot of your infotainment system. So you have the 6.5 boom, 6.5 GT with a GPS. 24,284 on the odometer here. Fire it up so you can give it a sound.
Pay for those renovations with a high interest credit card.
We've got this bike listed at $22,995. Come visit us or our website, southeastharley.com. If you got any questions, give me a buzz here, 440-439-5300, extension 302. Feel free, if you like this video, to subscribe by pressing that button right there, that box. And you can follow us on Instagram at southeast.motorcycles. Or like our Facebook page, Southeast Motorcycle Sales. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.